Okay, so let's take a look at determining the names and formulas of hydrates. So these types of compounds are going to have water attached to them. You're going to see it attached with a little multiplication symbol. Let's take a look at number 1, barium chloride dihydrate. So barium chloride is Ba plus 2 Cl minus 1. Cross the numbers and the charges. You'll end up with BaCl2, and then you put that little like dot after it. Dihydrate means you have 2 waters attached. So you put 2 H2O. For the next one, sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na plus 1. Carbonate is CO3 minus 2. Take the numbers and the charges and cross them. Na2CO3. Monohydrate means you have 1 oxygen. So you would put the little dot there and just put 1 oxygen. You don't need to put a number 1 in front of the H2O. Iron 3 nitrate, that's Fe plus 3. Nitrate is the polyatomic ion, NO3 minus 1. Take the numbers and the charges and cross them. Since you're crossing a 3 and you're writing it as a subscript on the polyatomic ion, you have to put the NO3 in parentheses. So this is going to be Fe parentheses NO3 parentheses 3. Nonahydrate means you have 9 water attached. Okay, for number 2, we're going to write the names of these chemicals or these hydrates. I'm going to make a note of which contain transition metals that require us to calculate the charge. So we're going to do those last. Let's take a look at C. Na is sodium. Cr2O7 is dichromate. So this is sodium dichromate. Dichromate is listed on the bottom left of your periodic table, and you have 2 water attached. So you would write this as di for 2 hydrate. This is 3 words. Sodium dichromate dihydrate. Letter D, Mg is magnesium. SO4 is a polyatomic ion. This is oxygen attached to sulfur. You're using the 3443 numbering system. SO4 is sulfate. And then you have 7 water attached. So this would be heptahydrate. Okay, heptahydrate is 1 word. Let's go back to A and B. Here we have to calculate the charges on the metals. You have 2 chlorine at a -1. So this is a -2 overall. You want a +2 overall on the cobalt. But I have 1 cobalt. So 1 times what charge would give me this overall 2? That would be 2. So this is cobalt, Roman numeral 2 because of the charge that we just determined on the metal. And then you have chlorine with no oxygen attached. So it ends in ide. That's chloride. And then you have 6 water. So this would be hexa for 6. Hydrate. Last one, you have 3 chlorine at a -1 charge. This is a -1 overall. You want a +1 overall on the Fe. If I have 1 Fe, 1 times what charge would give me this +1? A +1. So this is iron, Roman numeral 1 for the charge on the metal, and then that's chlorine without any oxygen attached, so it ends in ide. You have 4 water, so you're going to use the prefix tetra. This would be tetrahydrate.